Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Scrabble B by Palfly Kampling. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have this modular line in the grid, it's a very long line. The way this works is every set of 3 adjacent digits on the line, so like these 3, these 3, these 3, whichever 3 you pick, just any, it's overlapping, right? Any set of 3. Adjacent digits along the modular line have a distinct remainder when divided by 3. So you can think of them as we're grouping the digits with 1, 4, 2, 5, and 3, 6. So if this was a 4, for example, then in this group of 3, we already have the 1, 4. We still need to place a 2, 5, and a 3, 6. So I could place like 2 and 6. Now this group of 3 has all 3 of them. It has a 1, 4, it has a 2, 5, it has a 3, 6. Or if you prefer, it has a remainder 1, a remainder 2, and a remainder 0 when dividing by 3. Now the order doesn't matter, right? I could swap the 6 and 2, I could swap the 2 and the 4. These 3 need to have 1 of each. But keep in mind that these 3 also need 1 of each, and these 3 also need 1 of each, and these 3 also need 1 of each, etc., all the way down the line. All right, we also have crocky dots in the grid. So white dots separate consecutive digits. So if this is a 2, then this could be a 1 or a 3, but that's it. They have to be consecutive. And black dots separate digits with a 1 to 2 ratio. So if this was a 2, this could be a 1 because 2 is double 1, or 4 because 4 is double 2. So one of them is exactly double the other. Now, not all the dots are necessarily given. So if we had, say, 2, 3 here, let's do it. Let's do 2, 1. 2, 1, there could have been a white dot between them. Actually, 2, 1's ambiguous, so let's not do that one. Let's just do 3, 2 like this. 3, 2 are consecutive. There could have been a white dot there. There isn't one, but that's okay. This can still be the solution. And similarly, 3, 6 could have had a black dot. There's not, but that's fine. This could still be the solution. We're only told about the specific cells that dots separate. All right, and that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, I'm going to start by coloring this line. Now, why can I color the line? Well, let's just give a random color to each group. So green, purple, orange. Pretty easy to understand why we would have 1 of each color on this line. I don't know what is what, right? I don't know what green represents. It could be 1, 4, it could be 2, 5, it could be 3, 6. I don't know. But it's one of them. Purple is a different one than green, and orange is the third one that isn't green or purple. Now, because these 3 are consecutive on my line, I can color and say, well, one of them will be one will be the other, and one will be the third. I don't know which is which, but I know we're going to have 1 of each. Now, that's important because this is also a group of 3. But this group of 3 already has a purple and an orange, so the only one it's missing is the green. And now this group of 3 has an orange and a green. The only one it's missing is a purple. So what we end up doing is we end up cycling. We always go green, purple, orange, green, purple, orange, green, purple, orange, green, purple, orange, green. Now, in addition to that, we know that there's 2 digits in each group, so we should have 2 of each of green, purple, and orange in every row, column, and box. So for example, this column has 2 purples and 2 greens, so this last digit here has to be an orange. We don't know what orange is. We know this is orange. We know that consecutive digits can't be the same color. And so this is not green. It's orange or purple. So I'm just gonna double color it until we know what it is. Do we have any other like rows, columns, boxes that have obvious placements? One of these 2 is purple. Yeah, I'm not immediately sure. We have 1 of each here. Do we think about black dot? Multiplying by 2 does change the group, but I mean, we already know the group of both of these. This could be 1, 2, could be 2, 4. So this can't be 3, 6. Ah, right. 3, 6 would preserve the color, but we're different color. So we're not 3, 6. We're either 1, 2 or 2, 4. Importantly, that means we do have a 2 on this dot. That 2 is going to define our 2, 5 group. What do I do with that? That means orange is the 3, 6. Yeah, orange is our 3, 6. Okay, we can put that. So that means this 3 is orange. And we get our 6 and our 3 and our 6 and our 3. Okay. So if this was orange, it would be 6, and this would be a 5, making this a 2. But that seems okay. I don't think that's necessarily an issue. Did this orange help us in any way? We do need we need a 3 in this column. It can only go here, and that's going to be orange. That makes this the 6. We got this orange. We have one of each here. We have both oranges here, so these are only purple-green. Do I have any restrictions there? Not really. I mean, I could mark them purple-green. At some point it gets a little annoying, but... these are purple-green as well. Orange is gone. Basically not orange is what I'm marking these as. One of these two is a 3, but I don't know which. Ah, we need a 3 in this box, though, and that goes here. And that places this orange 3 here. Okay, 3s are done. 6 is in one of these two. Wow, okay, so... yeah, this sees both oranges. Okay, that's easy. So this has to be purple. And so this is... I don't think I want to pencil this, do I? 1, 4, 2, 5. No, not really. That's just... okay, this column finishes with a green. This box finishes with a purple. This purple and this purple are the same digit, because this is the only place this purple can go. So I guess this is another purple-green, for what it's worth. The 6 is our orange here. I don't know. What am I doing? So since this doesn't have 3 or 6 on it, we're either going to do 1, 2. We can't do 2, 3, or 3, 4. We could do 4, 5, but we're not doing 6. But I mean, we already know it's from 1, 2, 4, 5, so I don't know how much that helped me. That means these are also consecutive. That's helpful. Because whatever, this is a 1, if this is 1, 2, this is 4, 5. If this is 4, 5, this is 1, 2. So these just happen to be consecutive. Am I missing something obvious? Like this box here needs, yeah, this box here needs a 6. This box needs a 6. This box needs a 6. Okay, yeah. I'm missing obvious things. I should be looking for obvious things and not non-obvious things. Okay. These are one of each. We knew that. Ah, 2 greens. So this is purple. 6 goes with 5. Unfortunately, we don't know what color this one is. So we can't color the rest of them. What do we do here? We do need a 5. Ah, we need a 5 in this column. That ends up here, making 5 green. So green is the 2, 5 group, meaning this is 2. So this is a 2, 5 pair. This is 2, 5. Ah, this is green. This is purple. So this is 2. This is purple. This is green, making this 5. That's 2 and 5. 5 can't be consecutive with 6 here. It has to be consecutive with 4, making that a 1. That's 4 and 1. That's 4 and 1 there. All right. This is a 1, 4 pair. This is our 4. Is there an obvious thing here? 1, 2 pair. Yeah, this one tells us that's 2 and that's 1. So 2 is green and 1 is purple. So that means this has to be green. And it's not a 2. So that's 5 and that's 2. And then this cell here has to be purple. So, and it's not a 4. So that's 1, that's 4, that's 1. Just finishing up here. What's this color? This is purple. And we finished with a green. So we finished our coloring. That's 2. That's 5. That's 4. And we're done. All right. Neat puzzle, Palfly. I enjoyed the coloring. We had to kind of go back and forth between getting digits and coloring. So that was nice. I probably missed some obvious things as I went, but I always do. It's a live solve. But yeah, I enjoyed it. So cool. Let me know how you did. And if you enjoyed it, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.